All right, well, this is the firewood that we split the other day. And correct, I am not taking the log loader trailer because I have to pick up my MT85 and a couple of attachments that Jeff has over at Patriot's Cove. He's got my tiller and the forks and the bucket and things, so I didn't put any ramps on that trailer. And after I hooked up, I thought about, well, I could just pick up the MT85 because the trailer does pick up about 3,800 pounds, but then I'd have to swing it and lift it, and heaven forbid something go wrong. I'd rather drop a piece of wood than my MT85. So we hooked up to the tilt deck gooseneck trailer, so we're going to run this over to Jeff and his team there at Patriot's Cove and bring back our MT85. All right, so one thing I wanted to show you guys before I left the house and forgot is when I throw the straps over, I try to put some lateral logs down, so it just really helps squeeze, squeeze the load as it goes up and across, from bag to bag. That way it keeps a better pressure point, on things as it travels, and that way the strap doesn't slide down, in between anything as you're going down the road. Now, I mean, this was probably, a 25-minute trip over, and it's all still pretty tight, so. So those are the 6 cord bags that we used with the semi-pro. When my daughters were here, we filled, I think there's 12 of those for Jeff. And then there's another, like 4 big baskets back there that we were using the Toolcat with the Halverson 150 on it. And this is just all donation wood for veterans for this year, so. All right, so we got the trailer unloaded, and here, I'll show you this because you might get a good laugh out of it. So, my hindquarters were just a little bit too light, so I had to grab a bucket of concrete to put between my legs to get everything off the trailer. And this is a little hack that I did with the MT85 here. So we welded a D-ring to the forks, came up here to another D-ring. That way the forks themselves can't drift forward. You've got the 2 lift cylinders, which it would pick them up, but then just as you're driving, everything would start tipping, towards the ground. So figure, well, we'll just lock that out, and so far so good. And we do have the 2 weights here on either side. They are from a Bobcat T595, so they add 50 pounds a piece, so there's an extra 200 pounds on the back and a bucket of concrete, but we got it done. We are a proud sponsor of Patriot's Cove. They are a veterans organization for injured veterans and first responders. They have a trout fishing stream and a hunting program. For more information on what Jeff has going on over there, please visit patriotscove.org. Again, patriotscove.org. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on everything we have going on, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.